Auzubillahi minasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, our group project will present ergonomic system. The organization chart for our project is our Chief Executive Officer is Aiman Ashri bin Arifuddin. He has decided that his new objective in terms of the ergonomics job will be to conduct an analysis of the posture of the driver, passenger, and person filling the gas tank. And for our Chief Information Officer is Anas Farid. He in charge of the collection and distribution of information. And for our Chief Organization Officer, Akmal Hakim, he responsible for leading the members of the teams. And for the Chief Financial Officer, Muhammad Haris, he will manage the financial concept. And for the Chief Project Manager, Muhammad Fernanda, he will go for development of projects. Next. For the objective of this project, we will do a comparison of the driver position of the Mercedes E2330 W211 model and the Nazaria, as well as the driver position during the closing of the trunk lid and the filling of the gasoline tank. And secondly, we will utilizing PFMEA analyze to do ergonomic analysis and problem solving.
Okay, I will be explain about the project costing. So we have 3 items direct material cost for this project. The number 1 is mobile device. The cost per unit for this item is 479 ringgit, and the quantity is 1. And the second item is laptop Dell. So the cost per unit is 799 ringgit. So the quantity for this item is 3. And then the last item is 8 meters Thailand measuring tape. The cost per unit is only 26 ringgit 20 cent. The quantity for this item is only 1. So the total cost for overall direct material cost is 2,900 then 2,902 and 20 cent. So we goes to the direct labor cost. So the activity we do for this project is vehicle survey and writer. So the cost per hour for vehicle survey is 9 ringgit 70 cent, and hours we do 2 hours. So the manpower for this activity is on 2 manpower. So the total cost for overall is 36 ringgit and 68 cent. So for the writers activities, cost per hour is on only 3 ringgit, and hours is 4. So the manpower for this activity is 3. So the total cost for this writer activity is 36 ringgit. So the total overall for direct labor cost is 72 ringgit and 68 cents. So we goes to the office rent. So the first we locate at the apartment house, 3rd floor unit of 13 Bukit Beruang. So the cost per unit for this apartment is 800 per month. So the quantity is only 1. So we goes to the administration cost is only 100. So the quantity is only 1. So the total for this cost is 900. Okay, next.
Okay, I will explain about the project methodology and resource management. So our team made the decision to conduct the actual experiment to gather the measurement data from 2 actual cars in order to fulfill the desired end state. Okay. This is so that the data may be directly collected, and since the measurement from the real experiment is most trustworthy when compared to online resources. So the car that is the cars that we are going to use are a Mercedes-Benz E230, the W211 model, and a Nazaria, an MPV. They are the vehicles that are used for this project. Okay, these two vehicles belongs to one of our teammates. Okay, based on these two vehicles, we will assess the posture of the driver, the passenger in the back seat, and the driver's posture during fueling. The posture observation and REBA method or REBA method were used to examine the results of the posture for the vehicles. Next. Okay. So for driver posture data collection, so the process of gathering information about driver posture will be covered in this session. Okay, the driver being examined will sit in the driver's seat and adjust the steering, the seat, and also the seat height, the seat for the forward movement and the back movement of the seat. Okay, to fit the driver position or what he is feeling. Okay, while the seat is adjusted to where he feels most comfortable in order to gather the accurate data for driver posture. So the sitting position is which the driver is accustomed to in everyday driving. So the posture of the individual in the driver's seat will then be recorded and the posture analysis later shown at the 4 figures at the right of the slide. So the posture that we are going, the angle that we are going to measure are the neck angle, okay, the body angle, the upper arm angle, and the lower arm angle. Okay, the illustrations were displayed in those figures for the Mercedes-Benz and for Nazaria. Next.
Okay, I'm going to present about the project schedule. On the first week and the second week, we mostly discuss and brainstorm about the project title. We got the briefing and we decide each position members, and we distribute tasks for each members. Next. For the second part is project assessment, which is for documentation, document discussion. We brief about our objective and our evaluation method used, and then the equipment and the material that we are going to survey for this project. And for the third one is project analysis, which is we got to calculate about the risk assessment, risk management process flow. Next. Risk management of failure, risk management of severely occurrence and detection ranking. And then we got to do the planning for action based on the calculation of RPN. We take after that we're taking action about based on the calculation, and we got the planning reaction based on the RPN calculation again. And lastly, for project finalization, we discuss about the result and result analysis. We're analyzing the project result. We make a report for the result and conclude the project and submit the report. This, as we can see in this Gantt chart, this project have been done it during this semester. Next.
So next for the risk management report of our first function or item, driver door and passenger door. Potential failure mode is the size of the door is too small. Potential effect of failure, driver or passenger will not fit to enter and struggle to fit on it. We give the severity index 5 and potential cause of mechanism of failure measuring error. So probability 4 and current design control is CATIA software. Determining the index 6 RPN of total index is 120. Recommend action for the failure is measure first people of the country and get the average to design. So responsibility and target completion date. check the measurement first, and completion date is 28 January 2023. So action taken is measure the item. So new RPN will get, which is 233. So the total is 18 RPN, which is reduced from 120. So second is driver and passenger seat. Potential failure mode is driver or passenger seat fail to lock in static stated. The driver or passenger will uncomfortable. So we give 6 manufacture error. Design is CATIA software. So the total RPN is 144. Recommended action is provide the seat will able to lock and comfortable. So next action taken is the component part will change with the new part. So the new RPN is 8, which is low from we get 144. So next is seat belt. The length of seat belt failure. So potential effects is seat belt not enough length to clip. So potential cost mechanism, manufacture error. So current design control, CATIA software, and RPN is 140. Recommended action is provide the longer length of the seat belt. The action taken is the component part will change with new part. So new RPN will get 6. So next is door handle. The length of the door, which is failure. So we take the action, provide the suitable length of door handle, and the component part will change with suitable. We get the new RPN, which is low from 100. Next is fuel lead switch. Failure is the size of the fuel lead switch. So the driver need to search for the lead switch to open it. We take the action is provide the suitable size of fuel lead. The component will change with suitable. The new RPN we get 27. Next is full tank. Failure is the size of full tank. The full tank size is small and not enough to travel far. So RPN it get is 252, and action taken measure the suitable size and replace it. The new RPN get 18. So next is fuel tank position. The position of fuel tank incorrect way. So the driver or passenger need to determine where the fuel tank position first before refill fuel. So action taken is the part will take place on suitable place and easy to reach. So new RPN is 12. Full cap. The failure potential failure is the material used for the full cap. So we take action, provide the plastic fuel cap. The new RPN we get 9, which is low from actual RPN, which is 80. So next for the result. Result we get from methodology is torso orientation. We can see this picture on the left. This is part of the angle. Torso orientation we get from Mercedes actually almost the same for the Nazaria angle, which is 27, 25. Hip joint also same, 22, 20, 20. Elbow joint also same, 127 and 110. Shoulder joint 99, 95. Knee joint 119, 120. Ankle joint 113 and 115. So next is measurement part. So height of the SGRP from the AHP, which is almost the same because of the same people, 29 cm and 32 cm. Distance 98 cm, 102 cm. Horizontal distance 103 cm and 180 cm. So the diameter of steering 36 cm and 40 cm. So center of steering 15 cm, 20 cm. Distance from SGRP to ball of the foot 85 cm and 90 cm. Bell height 79 cm and 80 cm. Leg room 41 cm and 45 cm. Entrance height is 37.6 cm and 38 cm. So in conclusion, this project using the PMFEA analysis, we get to know the problem and act after the problem get detected. Measurement or angle to get the best posture when driving the car. There is not much different for the angle and measurement of car with the same person sitting on it. By doing the good posture, whether to open the lip fuel sitting on passenger seat or when driving a car, make us comfortable and relax when driving a car to work or study. So that's all for the presentation. Thank you.